Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to the video on this 2018 Ram 1500. This particular 1500 is the SLT trim level. It's one of the more affordable trim levels for the Ram 1500, but still gives you some nice appearance items as well as some interior amenities over the more basic and a little bit cheaper tradesman trim. So starting off up here in the front, you do have the full chrome grille there as well as the chrome lower bumper. Coming around to the side, you're going to see a 17-inch alloy rim wrapped up with a Continental tire. That tire looks to have about half its tread left on it. Ram 1500 badging here. Does have black mirror caps, but you do have the accented chrome door handles here. Going to have the, I believe it's a 6 1/3 foot bed. Almost everybody else is 6 1/2. Ram decided they wanted to be different, so it is a 6 1/3 foot long bed to my knowledge. Got all your Ram, SLT, 4x4, and flex fuel badging back here. You can also see where your backup camera is mounted right here beside your handle. Looking on the inside of the bed, looks to be overall in pretty good condition. Some light scratching in here. That's like a paint chip there. I'm not sure where that came from. It looks like it came off the ceiling. Do have 4 optional tow hooks, or excuse me, 4 standard tow hooks, 1 on each corner. Continuing up this side here, take a quick look on the inside here. This is the extended cab version of the truck. It does actually have 4 doors, but the back door is going to be about 2/3 the size of the normal door. Still has decent amount of room back here, but not a ton of room. It does allow you to get the longer bed though with the same wheelbase. It allows you to maneuver in and out of tight spaces better than a crew cab with the long bed would. So if you're looking for that bed space and you're not in and out of the back seat, or don't have a whole lot of people in and out of the back seat, this is a great option for you. Coming here, you're going to see your power windows, locks, and mirrors in a standard fashion here on the door. It is a manually adjusting driver's seat. Your adjustments are here, and of course the lever in the front. Automatic light controls, cargo lamps, and instrument cluster brightness here on the left-hand side of the wheel. Let's jump in and fire it up. Do have 2 keys here. You got your lock, unlock, and panic on those. Have just over 69,000 miles on it, so it does have a little bit higher miles for an 18. Of course, with that many miles on an 18, in the general condition of the truck, I would expect that most of that was highway running, which is always a good sign. It does have the 3.6 liter V6 under the hood, so you can get 24, 25 miles a gallon on the highway. Probably a little bit more if you baby it, but generally somewhere in that range. Menu navigation controls for that center screen there. Over here, you're going to see your cruise control items as well as your gear selection. Coming into the center stack, AM/FM radio here, as well as Sirius XM radio. In addition to that, you can Bluetooth audio from your phone to the vehicle. Down below that, pretty standard set of climate controls. Of course, the Rotary Shifter they've been using since right around 2014, tied to that 8-speed automatic transmission. Pretty much the only transmission you see in these Ram 1500s. Rarely you'll see a 6-speed with column shift, but those are pretty much a thing of the past now. Coming over here, 2 compartments, one up top, one down below. The bottom one's going to have your books in it as well as the results of our multi-point inspection. Tells you anything we did to the vehicle while it was in our shop as well as measurements of the key wearables. Let's take a quick look at that. We did put a new cabin air filter into it, as well as topped off the fluid levels there. Tires are 7/32 and 5/32, so decent amount of tread, more than twice the PA state minimum. And we did put new front rotors on and machined the rear rotors. Did do a brake service as well. Overall, wearable parts in pretty good condition. Should last you for a good amount of time until they need replacement. Quick look at the Carfax. Does have an accident reported. It was one owner. Let's take a quick look and see what Carfax has on that accident. Somewhere back here. So it looks like last year, let's see if I can find the date on that. So 11/13 of 19, so a little over a year ago. Wasn't a damage event or an accident involving the front. It doesn't really have any more detail than that, unfortunately. But overall, on the outside of the vehicle, the truck looks to be in really good condition. I mean, I don't see a whole lot of the gaps, things that you normally look for. The gaps here look to be pretty good coming across. Looks to all be lined up pretty nicely. doesn't look like, the hood doesn't have a paint line on it that I can feel. Just kind of a couple different things you can look at when you know a vehicle, or Carfax says a vehicle's been in an accident. It really, to me, doesn't look like the fenders. The hood's definitely not been painted. Everything looks pretty good up here, so I'm thinking it must have been a bumper incident, because it really doesn't. There's some evidence, there's little spots here that looks like maybe this piece was painted. But like I said, the hood doesn't appear to be. The fenders look pretty good as well. So all likelihood, that was a pretty minor event. Anyway, this truck's going to give you, like I said, that longer bed, decent amount of exterior equipment, definitely a good-looking truck at a very affordable price point. We have warranty terms up to 7 years and 100,000 additional miles. You can put that bumper-to-bumper factory coverage back on the truck if you wish to do so. If you'd like to stop and check it out, you can see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Visit us online, thomasata.com, or give us a call, 717-485-4224. Thank you very much, and have a great day.